Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? Hey, I just wanted to let everybody know that I have reached a major milestone in my life because my mileage reader says 250,000. I have passed 250,000 miles on this 2003 Ford minivan that I'm driving, which is a major accomplishment, a major achievement in my lifetime because I have never owned a vehicle with this many miles on it before. And I think it's very special. And I just wanted to let everybody know how meaningful and how special and grateful this is, because I've never had a vehicle, especially an American-made vehicle, that got this many miles on it. And as a homeless traveler, I've been living in the vehicle for 6 years myself. But I purchased a vehicle with 210,000 miles originally. And now it has exceeded 250,000, which is just phenomenal. It's remarkable. But at the same time, everyone, I had to maintain this vehicle decently. I always made sure there was enough coolant in it. The oil was always changed at around 6,000 miles. And I always checked everything under the hood, you know, changed the battery cables, changed the battery. But all the major parts around the engine were in fact changed at least one time. And that includes the radiator, the alternator, the AC compressor. Even though the AC compressor has gone out again, and it's going to cost $1,000 to rebuild the entire AC system, it was replaced. And, you know, of course, a few other parts. But the only thing I have changed since I've owned this vehicle have been the brakes and the window motors, along with tightening up the bolts on the on your valve covers. You know, I've changed the battery, cables, and all the fluids. But other than that, I have not done anything else, and the vehicle has lasted an additional 40,000 miles, which is just incredible. So this is a 2003 Ford minivan. This is an American-made vehicle. So I just wanted to let everybody know, 250,000 miles. Everybody take care and have a wonderful evening.